Hi there, it's Grant here. In today's video, I'm going to do a very quick review for Louis Navellier Growth Investor. This is a really popular service that focuses on very high growth stocks and stocks that give elite dividend payouts. So if you want to learn more about this service, who runs it, and basically what you get if you join Growth Investor, watch this video. My aim of this video is to keep it quite short because I respect your time. You're probably watching this video thinking, well, what's this all about? So I want to try and keep this, between 5 to 8 minutes if I can. So with that said, let's get on with the video. So like I say, it's a review for Louis Navellier's Growth Investor. So who is the owner? It is Louis Navellier. I'll sort of tell you a bit more about him in a second. The price for the service is $49. That sort of locks in your membership for 1 year. This normally costs you $299, so you're getting a decent discount for your first year as a member. I rate this service 3 out of 5. The return of all of Louis's picks averaged out to be a 3-to-1 return over 17 years he's been running this service, so it's basically 300%. Do I recommend the service? Yes, it's a solid stock picking service, and I think especially the trend that Louis has found at the moment is something that's really interested me because I knew nothing about it, and it seems to be where computing is going. So, overview. So Louis Navellier's Growth Investor is a decent stock picking service. It is probably one of the better ones out there. Louis Navellier has a multi-decade background in investing and has some accolades, and some of his stock picks do very well. I do believe he runs a large investment fund as well as running Growth Investor, as well as I do believe he runs Investor Place, which is the publisher that runs all of the different sort of newsletters, including this one here. Louis' picks focus on high growth stocks and elite dividend payers, with his current focus being on quantum computing as a service, as in QaaS, which is a massive industry that's about to take off, that's seeing exponential growth. I do believe this industry could be worth 30 to 40 trillion in the future, and hence it's a really, really interesting industry. And this is what Louis is focusing on at the moment, is the QaaS stocks, or quantum computing as a service. So if you decide to buy this service, you'll get 1 stock pick a month, a monthly newsletter, access to the model portfolio, and any new special reports when they are released. Growth Investor is owned by Investor Place, and I do believe Louis Navellier owns Investor Place. This company is owned by MarketWise, which is basically one of the biggest financial publishers in the world. Turns over $1 billion a year and owns many, many different publishers. So that is sort of a quick overview of Growth Investor and what it is and who runs it. So what do you get? So basically you're going to get these 4 special reports here. The first one is my number one quantum computing as a service stock, for tiny company about to sort of revolutionize a $46 trillion industry or disruption. And then you've got another report, 2 incredible quantum computing as a service stocks for 6-figure paydays. Avoid these 25 stocks as QaaS takes over, and create your own $1 million retirement plan. So very heavy focus on quantum computing stocks. Certainly got my attention. Very, very interesting, an exploding industry, with massive growth potential. So let's wrap this up. So the pros are a solid and reasonably priced stock picking service focusing on high growth stocks and high dividend payers, which is run by an investor with a proven track record and whose picks can perform very well. Cons: after you purchase this service, you will be offered upsells to more expensive services, but you do not have to purchase these if you don't want to. You can just stick with this and see how you get on it. Final verdict: Growth Investor is a solid stock picking service with a decent track record and is one of the better ones out there. It'd be perfect for you if you want to invest in high growth stocks, invest in stocks that offer elite dividend payouts, and ultimately you really want to learn more about quantum computing as a service stocks, which looks like it's going to be a rapidly growing industry. Quantum computing is basically the future of computing. It's just lightning fast. It's probably going to help run AI, which needs computing power, and it looks like quantum computing is going to help power AI because it has the power to do so. So, is there a money back guarantee? Yes, you get a 90-day money back guarantee with your purchase. Price to join $49, which gives you a year's subscription to the service, and you can try it for 90 days. If you don't like it, and get your money back easily. So that is my overview of Louis Navellier's Growth Investor. If you want to join, I'll link to a page in the comments and description below. Basically, through that page, you can go and join. Up to you, but that's basically what the service is about. It's one of the most popular stock picking services out there at the moment. And I think a lot of people are jumping on board because of all of Louis' quantum computing stock picks and all of the insider info about this burgeoning tech industry. So that is what I've got for you. If you want to purchase Growth Investor, link in the comment description below. Thanks for joining me, and I'll speak to you soon.